Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shehzad, and today we are going to discuss about the LPI Summer Interns Program that is for Planetary Science. So, friends, you can check here overview of this program. The benefit of this internship include the gaining valuable research experience, developing new skills and refining others, meeting and working with professionals, establishing contact for letter of reference and networking, experience a new work environment. The LPI is located near the NASA Johnson Space Center on the southeast side of Houston, Texas. So the Lunar and Planetary Institute invite undergraduates with at least 50 semester hours of credit to experience cutting-edge research in the lunar and planetary science. Students with majors in physical or natural science, engineering, computer science, or mathematics are preferred. All eligible students will be considered. The 10-week program runs from 3rd June to 9 August 2024. Summer interns will work one-on-one with the scientists from the LPI or NASA Johnson Space Center on a research project. So you can also check here application requirement. So the transcript and letter of recommendations may be submitted independently, but they must be received by 12 December 2023. So the last due to apply for this program is 12 December 2023. If you are a foreign national, you must provide proof of English proficiency through one of these accepted methods, that are your TOEFL score, IELTS score, or your English proficiency certificate. So friends, you can check here more about this LPI Summer Program. I am going to apply for this program. Then simply click on the online application form. So friends, this is the online application platform for this LPI Summer Program. The application process will be closed on 12 December 2023. So you have to complete this information by putting your contact information, your permanent address information, then use scholastic information, area of interest, biographical information. This is very important section. Please provide information regarding your relevant work experience or training. Please provide a brief biographical sketch. Please provide a description of academic goals, career plans, and scientific interests. And also, please provide a brief summary of why you wish to participate in this internship program. Is this English your native language? No. Then you have to upload your IELTS or TOEFL score, or you can request your professor for a reference letter of English. Then your letter of recommendations. A minimum 2 letter of recommendations is required. Your citizenships, your demographic information. Yes, I agree all the terms and conditions. Then simply submit your application form. If you meet the eligibility requirement for this internship program, then must avail this opportunity and also share this amazing opportunity with your other friends. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.